So, it's windy and the snow's coming down sideways. And we are on our way back with a very enthusiastic horse in conditions. And yeah, February riding in New Hampshire at its finest. Thought the storm was stopping. We got a second wave. As soon as I tacked up, go me. Walk. Thank you. But we got out at least in all this torrential wind. It's like snow drifts and sideways snow right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's stupid. It's stupid. But we're making the best of it. Trying to stay upright, especially on a horse who wants to get home now. I didn't want to do an out and back, but there's so much ice underneath all this snow and it's not really gripping enough. And it's pretty deep that I didn't want to push my luck. So here we are, an out and back, exactly what I hate.